All right, this is Module 9, Review Part 4. You've made it. This is the last assignment. When you're finished with this, you should be ready to take that test and ace it. All right, classify the figure in as many ways as possible. Let's select all the correct answers. Is this a square? Well, squares have four sides that are the same and four right angles. Does not have four sides that are the same, does not have any right angles. It's not a square. Trapezoid is one set of parallel lines, it's not trapezoid. Parallelogram has two set of parallel lines. Does this have two sets of parallel lines? Yeah, there's one set and there's two sets. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. A rectangle has two sets of parallel lines that meet at right angles. There's no right angles here. There's your answer. Parallelogram and quadrilateral. Quadrilateral first, parallelogram more specifically. Okay, whoops, I'm sorry, I didn't check that. Okay, but that's correct. All right, here we go. Next, number 2. Classify this figure as many ways as possible. Let's see. Well, there we go. Is this a square? Nope. It's a parallelogram. For the same reason I just said, nope. It's a rectangle. For the same reason I just said, nope. Is this a trapezoid? Yes. One set of parallel lines. Is it a quadrilateral? Yeah, it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral. Okay. Moving on. Determine the length of AB of quadrilateral ABCD. Let's find side AB. Here's side A. Here's side B. Let's count the number of spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. All right, moving on. Okay. Well, now let's find the side length of CD. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's move on. Now let's find the length of AD. 1, 2. Let's move on. All right. It says use the polygon tool to draw triangle FGH with vertices at -4, -4. G is at -5, 2, and H is at -1, -4. All right. So let's see. We're going to place a dot at -4, -4. So I'm going to go left 4 and down 4. There's 1. I'm going to place a dot at -5, 2. So -5 and up 2. And I'm going to place a point at -1, -4. So let's see, back 1, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and I'm going to connect those three, and there is my triangle, as you can see. Moving on. Okay. All right, let's see. The figure includes lines L and M. Use information in the figure to determine the measure of the angle. Okay, so I'm looking for the measurement of angle X. So you've got a 51-degree angle measurement here and angle X. Clearly, this forms a right angle because this is a straight line here. I know this is 90 degrees because that little box tells me it's 90 degrees. And these two angles are complementary because of this and this straight line. So what do I do here? Well, I go 90 minus 51. That should give me 39. Moving to the next question, number 8. All right. Okay, now I want to know what the measurement of angle Y is. Okay, well, if you recall, angle X was 39 degrees. In fact, I'm just going to write X, of course, was 39 degrees. Okay. We know that X is 39 degrees. So I've got Y here. Well, if X is 39 and Y, those should be supplementary because they're on a straight line here. So I just need to pull my calculator up. 180 minus 39, and that should give me the answer of 141. Okay. Moving along. Now I left that up there. Of course, I'm going to write that y is 141. Now, for the same reasons as before, what do you think z is going to equal? There's two ways you get this, actually. X and z are vertical angles, and if you remember, vertical angles always have the same measurement. So you probably know at this point what z's measurement is. And also y and z are supplementary, so I could subtract it from 180. 180 minus 141 is 39, or angle x and angle z are vertical angles, so that's 39 degrees as well. All right. Okay, I'm just going to clear my screen off. Here we go. And move on to the last question. Here we go. What's the relationship between x and y? X and y. Well, we kind of talked about this. Complementary? No, they don't add up to 90. Are they equal? X and y aren't equal. Are they supplementary? Yes. Okay, hopefully this last tutorial was helpful. Okay, ready to take that test.